Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? So let's see solution from here. We have 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals 24. And suppose we factor out 4 power x. So into here we have 1 plus 1 equals 24. And here we have 4 power x multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2, equals 24. Then let's divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2, as we have 4 power x equals 12. So let's take log on both sides. We have log 4 power x equals log 12. So by rule of log, suppose we have log a to the power of p, this equals p log a. So when we apply it here, we are going to have x multiplied by log 4 equals log 12. And into here we have, let's divide both sides by log 4, divide both sides by log 4. So log 4 cancelled log 4, and here we have x equals log 12 divided by log 4. But if you have 12, it's just like 3 multiplied by 4, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Then by replacing this, we have x equals log 4 multiplied by 3 divided by log 4. And from what we have here, this follows the rule of log. Let's say we have log a multiplied by b. This is equals log a plus log b. And here we have x equals log 4 plus log 3 divided by log 4. Then let's apply the rule of algebra here, so that we have, so by this we can separate this as log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 3 divided by log 4. And from here, log 4 cancelled log 4, we have x equals 1 plus log 3 divided by log 4. And suppose we have log a divided by log b. So this is the same thing as log a base b. And by applying this rule, here we have our x equals 1 plus log 3 base 4. So we'll consider this as the final answer to this problem. So we have to verify if this is equal from the questions. So let's say to check, we are given 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 24. I want to verify if these two sides are equal. So into here, we are going to replace x with the answer we get above, which is 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 4 plus 4 power 1 plus log 3 base 4. So our aim is to verify that this equals 24. So by rule of exponent from here, 4 to the power 1 plus log 3 base 4. Let's say we have a raised to power of 1 plus m. This equals a raised to power 1 multiplied by a raised to power m. Then, by applying this, we have 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 3 base 4 plus 4 power 1 multiplied by 4 power log 3 base 4. So 4 to the power 1, it means 4. And anytime we have this kind of log, here we have base of this logarithm, which is 4, and the entire base here is also 4. So the only thing we take is 3. So we are going to multiply this one by 3 plus applying the same thing here, 4 power 1, that is 4, multiplied by 3. And here we have 4 times 3, that is 12, plus 4 times 3, we have 12. And 12 plus 12, this equals 24. So 12 plus 12 here equals 24, and 24 equals 24. It shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, and this proves that our answer here is x equals 1 plus log 3 base 4. So that is the final answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.